Hello friends, this is Miss Sabin. Welcome to my channel. Today in this video we'll see how to buy an Australian stock from CommSec account. So before buying it, I just want to say as a disclaimer that I'm not a financial advisor, so do your own research before buying any stock on your hard-earned money. So without any delay, let's get started. So now I'm here in the computer. So just write for CommSec apply. So once you do that, this page will come up. So just click on CommSec online share trading. Here you have to sign up for the account from where you will get login details for the CommSec mobile app, and also you will have access to CDIA account. So if you scroll down, you can invest in the Australian stock market, in the global market, and in the ETF as well. So just sign up and you'll have a login details as well as the CDIA account in the CommSec mobile app. Now let's move to the mobile app and I'll show you how to purchase the Australian stock from the CommSec mobile app. Now let's log in the CommSec mobile app. Then you can see the portfolio here. Let's scroll down and have a look how the dashboard look like. Then in the portfolio, you can see all the shares that you have bought. So this is where you can create your watch list, the blue chip stock that you like. And in the market section, you can scroll down and see all the markets, which is a mid cap, large cap, small cap, sectors, commodities, currencies, and everything. Then in the more section, you can see your orders where you can see the outstanding, executed, and cancelled one. So now let's go and buy the stock. So here I'm going to buy the NAV stock. So here you can see the high, low volume of NAV. And on the down, you can see the seller price and buyer price. So now just go for the trade. Just click on buy. And then you can buy as a quantity based or as a value based. So here I have a $600 to invest. So I'm putting as a value and then just put a offer price, which is selling price, so that it can sell on the spot. So we have here good till expiry, which is for 20 days. So we'll go back and choose the good for the day, which is today. So we'll just submit the order and then the order will get executed. Here you need to know one thing, that the market will open only on the 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Sydney time. And also the minimum order you have to put while buying stock is $500. So I put $600 here and the transaction is done here. So you can see the dashboard. Now go to the manage order and then you can see the executed order where the nav is there. So now I have got an email where it says I have bought 14 units of NAB and I have to deposit $603.7 by 10 September on my nominated account, which is CDIA account in my case. So you can select the account under portfolio and account details as per the email says. So make sure the fund is available on your account so that the settlement can be done. But if you are doing out of market time, then let's see how does it shows. So NAB buy $600, 42.87, good for the day, review order, submit order. So here is out of the market time, so it goes to the outstanding. So when the market opens, then it will get executed. From here, you can cancel the order as well. So just outstanding, cancel the order, cancel. So to see that orders, you can see one in the cancelled. I hope you know now how to buy any Australian stock from the CommSec account. So if you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe my channel for more educational content like this. I'll see you in another video. Till then, bye. Take care.